my experience in painting, this piece involved a significant amount of time spent observing the interplay of light and shadow. This is my first time to paint still life painting because I want to challenge myself and explore in the other forms of painting. This challenge was translating that observations into a canvas, balancing precise rendering with a sense of spontaneity and brushstroke, achieving the stable gradations of colors in the apples and the reflections requires multiple layers of the thin glaze, careful blending in the patient approach. This careful process interspread with moment of frustration when the colors didn't fit much my vision of layer inherently obscured detailed work. Despite setback, the overall experience was fulfilling and enriching, a reminder of a satisfactions of my meticulous work and the beauty of emerging within a balanced composition.